Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul, and it's actually going to be a thrift store haul. I went there, picked up a few things, and I wanted to share with you guys. And actually the shirt I have on, I picked up while I was there, and it says now not later on it, and I thought it was pretty cute. I like the colors on it, so I picked that up. And if I didn't already say, it's a crop top. But besides that, the first item I picked up were these tan jeans, well not jeans, tan pants, and they're actually from Ross. They still have like the original tags on them, and the reason why I got these pants was because of the zipper detailing down at the ankle. And as you guys can see, you can actually open the zipper up, leave it open, or you can leave it closed, whichever you choose. So I had to pick this up. I also picked up some basic gray sweats because you can never go wrong with basic gray sweats, and I like to be comfortable, so I had to grab these. You can lounge around the house, go to the store really quick, do whatever. I got those. As for tops, I managed to get, well not top, this is not a top. Now the next thing I picked up is this black jacket. Now I don't know why I got a jacket being that it's the summertime, but I did anyway because it's kind of lightweight and you can get away with it wearing it at night, like going to the movies or something like that. And sometimes the summer night times be kind of cool, so you can wear this. It's not heavy, I promise, but it's giving off corduroy vibes. It has a zipper, it's all black. The only bad thing about this jacket is that it doesn't have any pockets. That's weird. I don't know why you will make a jacket and not put pockets on it. It makes no sense, but I picked that up. I also picked up this blouse, this cheetah print long sleeve blouse. I mean, it's cheetah print, so I had to pick it up. Cheetah print is never going out of style. I don't care what nobody says, so I grabbed that. I also picked up this shirt here. It's from Forever 21, and it's like a burnt orange color, and it has this black trimming around the neck as well as the sleeve. So I thought that was, you know, basic but cute, so I grabbed that. And speaking of basic, I actually picked up a basic white t-shirt as well. Nothing special. And I managed to find another polo. I always pick these up. If I see them, I pick them up. I don't know. But a black one has the red polo logo there. I had to pick it up. And the last top I picked up is this gray one, and it has all these gold studs all over it. I thought that was pretty cute, so I grabbed this as well. Now those are all the clothing items that I did pick up, but I did get some bags, of course. Oh, and I also got this brown belt. It's nothing fancy or special about the belt. It's just a brown basic belt. But as far as the bags, I picked up this black one that I'm so ready to switch all of my items into. This is how it looks. It has a flap here. Under the flap, it has a zipper pocket. Also has a zipper pocket in the back. The zippers to open the purse, you have two of them, and they have tassels on it. And the inside is pretty darn spacious, and of course it has the standard zipper and pocket as well. And lastly, I picked up this bag. It's huge and it's pink, and I'm not even a pink type of girl, but for whatever reason I was drawn to it, so I had to get it. It's really big. Like, the bag is big. It's unnecessarily big, and it doesn't have any pockets or anything in the inside, so your stuff is just gonna be slipping and sliding all over the place. But I liked it, so I got it. And for the first time, I actually went into the jewelry section of the thrift store. I never go in that section, but for whatever reason I did this day, and I actually picked up some cute little jewelry pieces. And I am going to show you guys that, but I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see the jewelry better. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, just so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Let me know down below in the comments which was your favorite item that I managed to pick up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.